Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. In this video I will be discussing about the top full AOD watch faces for the Amazfit GTR 2e. So the Amazfit GTR 2e is a great smartwatch and it comes with a lot of third-party watch faces and the customization options. And now you can install this beautiful looking third-party watch faces which has full AOD. That means the always on display should be full always on display according to the watch faces, and it looks really good on the watch. And this watch faces not only comes with a full always on display, but it also comes with a lot of functions, and also each of the watch faces displays a lot of information. So we will see all of these full always on display beautiful watch faces for the Amazfit GTR 2e, and we will also see what are the functions and the information it displays on this watch faces for this watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say us, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Amazfit GTR 2e is a great smartwatch, and also it looks really good because of the materials used in this watch, and also it comes with the AMOLED display, so the colors pop up, and this watch faces takes the most advantage of the always on display, because these are all full always on display watch faces which displays all the information out there. The first watch face, as you can see, is a really good looking watch face for this Amazfit GTR 2e. It comes with full always on display, and also it displays a lot of information. First of all, it comes in this black background, so the color pops up because of the AMOLED display in the watch, and also it shows you a lot of information like the power, that is the battery percentage, the heart rate information, the step count, also the date and the day here, and also it displays you the weather information along with the time in both analog and digital formats. So all the information you will be getting from this watch face, and moreover it displays some subtle information like whether the Bluetooth is connected or not, and also it shows you information about the DND mode and the alarms if set on this watch face. So overall really good looking watch face with a lot of information it displays. And let's see the always on display it comes with. So the always on display will be a full always on display, and this is the always on display of the watch. You can see the second hand is not moving in the always on display, and the second hand will only display in the main display once you click the button on this watch. So really good looking watch face, and this watch face is available in the Amazfit app with the name of G278, and you can see it is compatible with the GTR 2 and GTR 2e, and this watch face you can download from the Amazfit app itself. And this watch face also comes in two variants, you can try both of them from the Amazfit app. So really good looking watch face you will be getting for the Amazfit GTR 2e. The next full always on display watch face for the Amazfit GTR 2e also looks really good, and this watch face is also available in the Amazfit app. It also displays a lot of information like the heart rate, the battery percentage, the date and the day, and also the weather information along with the time, and also it shows it in digital and analog format, and all the type of information like the step count, calories burned, everything it will be showing in here. So really good looking watch face, and the best part is this watch face also comes with a full always on display, and this is the full always on display for the watch face. You can see the second hand will not be visible in the always on display. Apart from that, all the information will be visible, and once you click on this button the second hand will be visible. This is also a very good looking watch face, and the best part is it comes with a lot of colors in there. So in the Amazfit app it comes with the name of Mod153 GTR2, and this is compatible with the GTR 2e. As you can see, there are a lot of colors which comes with this watch face, and you can install from the Amazfit app itself. Once you click on download, you will get all the colors, whichever variant you like you can install it from here. So this is also a very good looking full AOD watch face you will be getting for Amazfit GTR 2e. So the next watch face is a special watch face which comes in this black and red color, and it displays a lot of information along with this. This is also a full always on display watch face. So it displays you the information like the battery percentage, whether the watch is connected via Bluetooth or not, and also the day and date information and the time in this analog and digital format, and also it shows you the sunrise and sunset, whether this is day or night. You will be able to understand from here. It also displays you the sunrise and sunset time, and also it displays you the step count, the calorie information and other information in this watch face. So all the information you will be getting. Perhaps this can be one of the best watch faces that displays all the information you need in a watch face. And also on top of that, it comes with a very good looking always on display. So the always on display is the same as the watch face, and also it looks really good on the Amazfit GTR2. And this watch face also is available in the Amazfit's app. It is known as G280 GTR2. This is a full always on display watch face. You can download it from the Amazfit's app itself. So the next watch face on the list is a different watch face because of the color used in it. This watch face comes with this orange accent, and the red and black accent are there as usual, and it will give you all the necessary information throughout the day. So first of all, it shows you the heart rate, then it shows you the weather information, the date and the day, and also it shows you step count, the battery percentage and the calories, and also the month in here. And the small information are also displayed like whether the watch is connected via Bluetooth or not, the do not disturb mode is on or not, and the alarms if set will be visible in this watch face. So this watch face also comes with this beautiful always on display. So the always on display is the same as the watch face. It looks really good because of the black and red and orange colors. So let's see the always on display. So you can see right now the always on display is activated, and the second hand is not displayed on the watch face. So really good looking watch face you will be getting for the Amazfit GTR2, and it comes with the name of Mod153 GTR2. It is developed by the same developer, that is ASOO, and very good looking watch face you will be getting for the Amazfit GTR2. So these are all mod watch faces, that means modified watch faces from the original versions. So I will recommend you to download this full always on display watch face for your Amazfit GTR2. So next full always on display watch face is this TAG Heuer Carrera watch face, and really good looking watch face again because of the black and orange color of this watch face. Also this is in the chronograph style, that means you will be getting these dials beside the watch hands which will give you additional information, like it shows you the heart rate information, the step count in here, and also the date and the month information in this dial, and also it shows you the time as usual with this dial, which looks really good. So this is a classic analog style watch face you will be getting for this watch, and the second hand is in this orange color, and the colors look really good on this watch. So this is the always on display, and it looks really good on this watch. It is same as the watch face. It displays you all the necessary information on this watch. This watch face also you can download from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of TH_GTR Black, and it is also available in two variants. One is black and the other is black one. Only there will be a little bit of color difference. Apart from that, the watch faces are same. Really good looking watch face you can download for the Amazfit GTR2, which has full always on display and also displays you a lot of information in it. So the next watch face on the list is another mod watch face, and this watch face also comes with a lot of information. It displays you the heart rate, the step count, the power information which is the battery percentage, and also the weather information along with the date and the day and the month, and also it shows you the weather in this nice little icon in there, and also it shows you the step count as usual, and at the top it is also showing you the name of the watch face, which is really great. So the always on display is the same as the watch face, and it displays you the time perfectly on this watch, and definitely it comes with these beautiful colors. So there are 4 or 5 colors used in this watch face, like red, green, yellow, and deep black, and all the colors really pop up because of the AMOLED display. So this is also a very good looking watch face you can download, and this watch face comes with the name of Mod153 GTR2, and the watch face name is also displayed on the top of this watch. So really good looking watch face you can download for the Amazfit GTR2e, which is available in the Amazfit app. So the next watch face is a different type of watch face, and this comes with the name of Breitling Chronograph watch face, and this watch face comes with this beautiful classic style colors like the black and the white, and also it displays you a lot of information in this chronograph style, like it displays you the battery information, the heart rate information, and also the step count. And it really looks good on the watch because of the colors used in it, and the watch face looks so good it sometimes looks like a real watch, you can say, not a smartwatch but real watch. And it is so beautiful because of the detail used in this watch face. So a very good looking watch face you can download for the Amazfit GTR2, and also it comes with an always on display, and the always on display is a full always on display which looks exactly like the watch face, and you can download a lot of variants of this watch face also from the Amazfit app. It comes with the name of Breitling Chronograph concept, and if you just scroll down and click on the download button, you will get a lot of variants. So there are some subtle differences in the watch faces, not much, like the watch hands color will be different in the versions. One is black, one will be white, one will be gray. So a very good looking watch face which displays you a lot of information. So definitely I will recommend you to download this for the Amazfit GTR2e. So these are few of the full always on display watch faces which you can download for the Amazfit GTR2e. Few of the watch faces looks really good on the watch and also displays a lot of information along with a lot of things for the smartwatch, and I will definitely recommend you to download all the watch faces, as all the watch faces are really good and it comes with full always on display. So definitely worth trying all the watch faces which are shown in this video. I just wanted to show you some of the watch faces which comes with full always on display and how it looks on the Amazfit GTR2e. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.